How to change your Pinterest profile picture. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just launch the Pinterest application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now this is your home page where it looks like this. Now you can see different options at the bottom of the screen, from home screen to search bar to plus icon, which is creating or uploading any of the posts, then your message, and then your profile. So tap on your profile, and as you tap on profile, here you can see your profile picture over here. So in order to change it, or in order to change your Pinterest profile picture, what you need to do is just tap on the profile picture. And here you have two options, change profile picture and download pin code. So just tap on the change profile picture and then select any of the picture over here and then tap on done. Now it will start uploading your profile picture, so you just have to wait for a while and it will start changing your Pinterest profile picture. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.